Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Pre-primed 5x7" canvas. This is paint left over from my last painting, which would be 10,373, I think. Dipping my tool in and adding colors. I haven't done exactly what I'm doing right now, so I'm in anticipation of it being kind of fun. You can go across the colors or you can go with the colors. And of course you can use the flat side or the toothy side of whatever you're using. You could scrape like so. I don't know what I'm going to get, but it's going to be fun no matter what it is. Might be quick, might not be quick. I think I want to put some gold down in there, just because I can. That's Decor 24 karat gold. So this is a Wilton cake decorating tool, but I think you could use either the flat side of anything, like a charge card, or you could notch it, just like this, by taking a utility knife. Because there's nothing that needs to be precise about this method. I can tell you that now. Even little blobs are allowed. And of course different size tools are allowed as well. Let's try that once. Go corner to corner. It's kind of fun. I'm definitely having fun doing it. I had paint to use up, so I feel better about that. If you watch me at all, you know I don't like wasting paint. I got that one weird thing in there. I like the cross-hatching. I'm sure you could take any painting at all, like one of my other spatula paintings, and add this effect after the fact, and it would help add interest. Can't really believe what I'm getting away with, but like I said, this is how I learn. And I'm certainly glad I added the gold. This is going to be over in a second. I'm so close to feeling like this is done. Add some wider bands. I didn't think of that until right now. I could have done some half rounds. Which creates, I guess I've got the start of one here. I want to do something weird like add dots. I've done that before. I suppose I could just take the Q-tip I've been using. don't think it needs to be massively dotted. But I would definitely think a few here and there add something to it. I think that's kind of fun. Glad I had a canvas ready to test out my theories. Take the white now. Actually, I think I have a little tiny, yes, a little nail art tool. I particularly like this one because it has this tiny, tiny little tip. It allows me to make much smaller dots. It looks spacey. That's all I can think of. Under construction. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.